Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Thankful Garden bundle and a last chance item, which is the paper butterfly accents. So I'm starting off here with blueberry bushel, and I have die cut this label from the Textured Notes dies. These dies have an intricate design around the outside and each level, so they're nesting, and each level of rectangle has a different design. They're gorgeous. I also die cut some of the black cardstock as well, so it was just a layered piece, and of course I'm going to put that up with dimensionals, but not before I mat this designer series paper, which is called the Lovely Garden DSP. I matted it on a piece of black card. Sometimes I have to put the black card on a different colored card so that I can actually see it whilst I'm properly placing for the mat to be even. Honestly, that's what happens when you have a black table. All right, so I'm using my favorite adhesive, which is Seal Plus. And funnily enough, I have just found out that you only need to put a little bit on. So it actually lasts a super long time. I have this piece of basic white here, and again, just a little bit of adhesive goes a long way with this stuff, and I'm going to put white on the inside just because that blueberry bushel card base is quite dark, so it is nice to write on something white. I'm going to crease the score here with my bone folder, and then we're going to get to some decorating. So this is my sentiment piece. I'm going to put adhesive along the sides because I'm going to affix those die cut leaves, and those come from the Thankful Garden bundle. So this would be the die bundle. And there's two different kinds of leaves, this green leaf and then this more, well, it's not green, is it? They're white. I chose to cut it out of white. One's more of a softer, curvy leaf, and one is more spiky like strawberries, I guess. Look at how many dimensionals I put on the back of that. Holy cow. I didn't want any sagging sentiments. So I'm adhering that directly to the the outside middle of the card. And now I'm coming in with that last chance product. I'm using a few glue dots to adhere these butterflies. Last chance means retiring while supplies last. So sometimes when I post something, they might not be available. So if you want them, there's plenty of them in this packet. I'm going to be using these for years. Anyway, I'm going to leave all the supplies that I use listed below in the video see more section on YouTube, or you can hop on to my blog and there's a section there where it says supplies, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So I'm just adhering them with glue dots, and these butterflies I'm sort of floofing up. One last thing that I'm going to do is use the adhesive back dappled dots also on the last chance. I don't think we're carrying them over. So get them while they're hot, folks. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up, and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the skewed screen here. I'll work on that. But bye for now.